I didn't have money for English classes. I didn't have confidence to speak. But I had one thing, movies. And that's how everything changed. How I learned English watching movies and started earning money. I was scared to speak English. Whenever someone talked in English, I smiled silently, afraid I might say something wrong. My dream was to work online, but without English, no one wanted me to hire. One day, I was watching English movie with subtitles and something clicked. Why not learn English from movies, I thought. I started watching movies daily, but this time differently. I paused every second. I repeated the dialogues. I wrote down new words. Movies became my English teachers, full of emotions, accents, and real conversations. Soon, I started understanding small talks, then phrases, then full scenes without subtitles. I began using those dialogues in daily life. When someone said how it's going, I knew exactly how to reply. After 3 months, my confidence exploded. I joined online freelancing platforms and used my English skills to earn money. Now the same language that scared me became my greatest strength. If you want to learn English, you don't always need expensive classes. Sometimes your favorite movie can be your best teacher. Start with movies you love. Turn on English subtitles. Repeat what you hear. Watch, repeat, feel the words, and your English will start to live inside you. If I could learn English from movies and change my life, you can too. Subscribe to the English Adventures for more stories that teach you English and inspire your heart. Thanks for watching.